Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable notifications in OPay. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the OPay app on your device and log in using your credentials. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this home screen. We have a couple of icons to explore. From this home screen, check the bottom of the screen. You have a couple of tabs: Home, Rewards, Finance, Cards, and Me. Tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. It's going to take you to the Me window. In the Me section, go ahead and tap on the Settings wheel, which is at the top right corner, to access Account Settings. That takes you here. Now here you have login settings, payment settings, saving settings, home page settings, security questions, SMS alert and subscriptions, things, access to clipboard, security center, close account, feedback and suggestions, and about. So go ahead and click on SMS alert subscription. Now once you do that, head over to where you have SMS alert, like credit alerts, and you have card alert transactions, you have transfer and withdrawal alerts, you have order alert. So if you want to enable, just click on the circle until it shows that green tick right next to the alert. All right, this is how to enable, and if you want to enable them, you have to click on subscribe now and follow the prompt to subscribe. If you want to disable, uncheck. Once you uncheck it, that's it. Now, if you're not receiving push notifications, ensure that notifications are enabled for the OPay app in your device settings. And to manage email notifications, visit the settings section in the OPay app and adjust your preferences accordingly. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you're good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.